How to add filters on collection page on Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to add filters on a collection page that you have on Shopify. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply get to your Shopify admin right here. Now, if you have collections created for your products on Shopify, then we can actually add different filters that will help us with our search. So you can just go to products and add a new product first and create collections. Let's say that you already have some collections like I do. So I will just simply go to my online store option right here, and you can see it will open up these options for me. I have themes, blog post, pages, and then navigation. You have to go to navigation and it will open up this right here for you. We have menus and then we have collection and search filters. So here you will find all of the collections and filters that I have. So these are the two filters that I already have, but I want to add more. So you will just click on add filter. There you go. And now we have some of the filters given here, such as product type. Let's go with this one. Color and size. I will go with this one as well. And then we can add more as well, but these are the ones available. So I'm going to select 3 more, click on done, and you can see these filters will be added to my collection. And I can also arrange them from here and I can just place them wherever I want. If you want to delete a filter, you can just click on this cross. For example, product type. So it will be, deleted. And now I have all of these different filters. Click on save and your filters will be saved on your collection page. I hope that I was a big help and now you know how to add filters to a collection page on Shopify. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to the YouTube channel.